Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Dora the Fluid Crafter, and this morning I wanted to show you guys my printables for Junk with Steph and for her April design team package. What I'll be working with for the month of April, and so I just kind of wanted to show you what those are. This one is, it's called the Collage Paper Kits Volume 2, and it's beautiful. Oh my gosh, guys, it is absolutely gorgeous. And while I show you, I'm just going to talk and things like that. So with this kit, there are a variety of papers. Let me turn it back to the side. And they're already collaged, so you can print double-sided and keep them as they are. I mean, you don't even have to alter them if you don't want to, if you're going to be making a journal with them, which is absolutely fabulous. And I just love these ledger papers that she has put in here. Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. And you can see with this one here, the other ones are similar, but look at that. Is that not gorgeous? And it's already done for you. And another good thing about this is if you love creating mixed media like I do, or doing canvas work, or if you enjoy doing clustered tags or layered tags and things like that, these pages are already layered. I mean, literally, it's done for you. So if you wanted to make something really cool but really fast, man, these are perfect. And I love them so much. There's such a variety. I love the wonky stitching on some of these pages that she's put over here. Just, I mean, I don't know. I like all of her digits anyway, but this one is really cool. I like butterflies also, so yeah. And this is a cool one here too. This is, I think it's a receipt, and it's from, it's like 1872, I think, or something like that. Really, really cool. But yes, this is going to be super fun to be working with. I will link her down below along with this kit, so that way if you guys wanted to grab it and work with it yourselves, you can do that. She is an amazing lady, and I just want to give her a shout out real quick. Steph, if you're watching this, I just want to say thank you to you, honey, for understanding my situation and being there for me, and knowing that I enjoy and love being on your design team. And losing my brother in December, and then now losing my mother-in-law, it's been pretty difficult, and you have always been there, and you've always given me time and things like that, and I can't thank you enough. I mean, absolutely fabulous design team to be on. So with that being said, she also puts a couple of envelopes in here, which are just gorgeous. Same type of layering and things, so you don't have to go back over an envelope. It's already done for you. And here is another one. Just stunning. And then we have some journaling cards, and this one here has the wonky stitching on this side. I just love it so much because I like to sew in my journals and put little stitches and stuff, and this one here has them on the top. I just think it adds a little more texture, a little more character to your projects. And here's some tags. I love the tape. Love that old vintage tape on there. I do like getting books that have the tape where someone has tried to tape the pages together so that they could keep the book. I think that is great. I love getting books like that. And here we have some journaling cards. We have some specimen cards here. And then here is a big journaling card, but you could also use it as a bookmark. We got some measuring tapes, a little butterfly there, some little ephemera pieces. I just love it so much. Yes, so that is the kit. It is a very, very nice sized kit. I will put the links down below. Like I said, if you guys are interested in grabbing this from her. And I will see you guys when I start making my project. I will try to do a step-by-step with you guys. I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing a full journal or if I'm going to be making things with this to add into my journals, because what I'm going to start doing is I want to make journals, but I don't want to sell them anymore. I have got so much supplies, and I feel so blessed and so thankful and grateful that the Lord has blessed me with all this, and I want to give back to the community and to the people that have been there for me and have supported me. And so what I'm going to start doing at the end of April, beginning of May, is I'm going to go back to some of my older videos, and I'm just going to randomly pick an older video. No one will know which one I'm picking until I do. I'm going to take that video and the comments that are in there, I'm going to pick a winner from those comments. If there's only one comment, then that person will win that journal. I won't say what journal or anything like that. So if you guys are interested in doing those things, please, by all means, leave some comments down below my videos. And don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also hit that little bell icon if you want to be notified of future videos. If you decide to give me a thumbs down, that is also fine as well. I take all people who watch. And you know what? Some people just don't like my videos, and I understand that. So don't feel bad if you need to give me a thumbs down. So anyways, with that being said, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Stay inspired, be blessed, and think outside your box. And I will see you again soon. Bye-bye now.